is this completely new? Has anyone done 3D NOR before?
No, this is the first one in the world.
Yep.
And I think we have a lot of patent coverage.
Yeah.
And so far, this product, not only we can make the designer design easily, but also the interface has a DDR4 interface. And then we can not only making the device performance better, but actually we can cut down 30% of DRAM usage.
So here we are at the stand of Macronix at Electronica, and we're here to talk to Min Wu, the CEO of the company. Min, lovely to meet you.
Yeah, me too.
Very good. So could you tell us, you've got rather an exciting product announcement to make at the show. Could you tell us a little bit about that?
Yes, I think from technology point of view, 512 meg has been the end of the product. You can produce more reliably.
Yeah.
So we believe.
So we're talking here about flash memory for use in
for NOR flash.
For NOR flash, indeed.
Yeah, because you need high quality NOR flash to store all this information.
For code storage.
Yes. Yeah. So I think my customer has a problem. Now they switch to the NAND, but NAND quality is very poor.
Yeah.
So you end up adding a lot of cost trying to make it reliable.
Yeah. So adding the error code correction and that kind of kind of thing.
Yes. So that's why we decided, hey, let's do something different.
Yeah.
So since we also have 3D NAND experience, we are developing a lot of product. So we decided to do 3D NOR, which is the product we have today and working now.
And is this completely new? Has anyone done 3D NOR before?
No, this is the first one in the world.
Yep.
And I think we have a lot of patent coverage.
Yeah.
And so far, this product, not only we can make the designer design easily, but also the interface has a DDR4 interface. And then we can not only making the device performance better, but actually we can cut down 30% of DRAM usage on the system.
Wow. And so presumably this product is quite hard to fabricate.
Yes, I think right now almost all the German automotive makers, they are looking this one.
Yeah.
Now they are trying to get a sample from us. So we have working device, but we still have to do some fine tuning.
Right.
And then we think that by end of next year, we should have a commercial sample available.
Okay. And volume production, when do you think that will be?
Yeah, after that.
After that, okay.
Yes.
So some point in 2026.
26. Yeah.
Okay.
So I think it would be perfect to meet the car maker's schedule right now.
Yeah.
So,
and the memory capacity of the first device that you will release?
4 gigabit.
4 gigabit.
Yes.
And then is there a roadmap to further beyond that?
Yes, we will produce 8 gigabit for now.
Yeah.
Because that's where the customer can use. So if the customer eventually need a higher density, and we have a way, either make the chip size larger, so we can double the density, or we can use in more level. Instead of 32 layer, we can do 64 layer, and we can double it. So there are a few ways we have to evaluate later on.
Very good. So you talked about kind of responding to demand from your customers for increased memory capacity. We hear a lot at the show about artificial intelligence, about AI, and about how that is driving demand for compute capability, for processor speed, but also driving demand for increased memory capacity.
Yes.
Is that part of what is making you develop this?
Well, this is actually very good to incorporate into the AI applications. So with this one, actually we believe we can, because this device can be driven by the graphic. So actually that will be perfect to integrate into like NVIDIA solutions.
Right.
So that would be perfect. And also we see a lot more demand for higher density of flash for the coding storage. So this is, I think we will play a very important role in the AI market.
Yeah, yeah, and more generally, so away from not just this product, but generally, are you finding that the memory market is attracting greater interest from people because of AI or any other factors? How are things looking in the memory market generally for you?
Well, for NOR flash, actually, it's not going to be increased a lot. Right. I think today for storage, of course, because people are dying for the largest storage devices. Yeah. So 3D NAND still in great demand. This one is not going to have a very, very big volume like a storage devices. But I think that will be very helpful to make the server memory better.
Yeah.
So that is a benefit of that in a way. But however, we're also doing 3D NAND devices. That's where we were driving to the volumes. So, we do both anyway.
Yeah. So the 3D NOR is a real technological breakthrough. 3D NAND has been in existence for a long time.
For many years.
For many years.
But right now,
yeah.
we like to. We already developed technology up to 200 layer already. So right now we
200 layer in NAND.
Yeah.
Yep.
So right now we are trying to develop 300 layers.
300 layer.
And also maybe 500 or 600 layers. So we will depend on the application we are doing. We have our idea trying to do the better 3D NAND. We are not a big company, so we don't want to compete with Samsung Hynix in the big storage area. So we were trying to figure out something else. And for example, we're trying to develop our own proprietary SSD devices so we can offer a very unique performance.
Yeah, very good.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us. Okay, lovely to meet you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.